This literature kit on We Dream of Space by Erin and Trada Kelly provides a variety of formats and comprehension questions and vocabulary to help students better interact with the novel. 55 pages chocked full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Predict how Bird's science team will get along as the project continues. Think of a time when you regretted something you did and what impact your actions had on the other person. Identify statements about the siblings' lives as true or false. Describe how the family react to Bird after the Challenger disaster. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as writing your own astrogram to potential life forms outside of Earth. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Record traits of an astronaut on the provided outline. Traits should include skills and personality. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.